Hi everyone! Thanks for being here. Today I have a... Whoa! How did you get here? Who are you? What's your name?
Ember.
Ember, that's right. This is my friend Ember. Ember?
And I got a little friend too.
And you got...
His name is Baby Lloyd.
And you got a friend, Baby Lloyd?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, I have to ask you and Baby Lloyd something. Do you want to draw a snowman with me today? You do? That's so exciting. Oh, I can't wait. How do we make snowmen outside? Do we make them in the summertime?
Yeah.
No? When do we make them?
And I
In the winter? Oh man. And do we make them with leaves? No.
We make them as well.
We make them with snow! That's so cool! Oh man, I'm so excited to make some snowmen this coming winter. I can't wait to draw a snowman with everyone. Are you guys ready? You want to come draw a snowman with us? Let's go! So the first thing we want to do is get out our paper and a crayon or a marker. Okay, if you have a marker, make sure you take the cap off. The first thing we're going to do is make a circle on our paper. Let's see here. So to make a circle, we're going to start up kind of near the top of the paper, like this motion. There we go. Beautiful. Nice! There's our first circle for our snowman. Now the next thing we want to do is put one line coming off of each bottom side of our circle. One here and one here. Oh, Ember, you're so fast. Good job. Next, we want to connect those two lines we just made coming down off the bottom of our circle straight across. It could be a curved line, it could be straight. Just connect those two lines at the bottom, like this. Wonderful! Okay, from there we're going to make another big circle coming off of that little rectangle shape we made, just like this. Wonderful! That looks amazing! Okay, and now one more big circle down at the bottom. Here we go. Whoa! Ember, your lines are so fast. Perfect. Wonderful. Now, the next thing we want to do is start his hat. So, what we're going to do is add one line going straight across the top. The very top of the first circle. There we go, just like that. Just one line going across. And then we'll add two lines going up and down off of that line to make the sides of the hat. Like this. One here and one here. Beautiful! And we're going to connect those two lines at the top, another line going straight across. That's wonderful! That's the beginning of our hat. This hat is called a top hat, and it makes a little square on top of the head. Next, we want to do two dots for the eyes, right in the middle of our first circle. That first circle is our snowman's head. 1 and 2. You can make them as big or as little as you like. And remember to take your time. Very good. Nice. Next, we're going to draw a sideways triangle. I'll show you over here. Nice and skinny and long and connected with a short little line like this. That's going to be the carrot nose for our snowman. Yeah, most snowmen's little noses are made out of a carrot. So we like to make a little skinny shape that looks like a carrot. Beautiful! Keep going. Nice! Look how far you've come already. We've done the 3 circles for the body, the top hat, the eyes, and the nose. Wonderful. Now next, we're gonna do a smile shape, but we're gonna make it out of dots, just like the eyes. I'll show you over here on the side of my paper so you can see. Yep, just like that. It's kind of like an upside down rainbow shape, or the letter U. And we're gonna put those dots right under the carrot nose to make a smile. How wonderful! Beautiful! Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is add dots going all the way down the other two circles to make big buttons. You can do them as big or as little as you want. I'm only gonna do a few circles on each part, but you can do as many as you want going all the way down. Usually, on a real snowman, these can be made out of rocks or pebbles or coal. Coal is something we use to keep a fire lit. There we go. Do-do-do. Keep going all the way down until you're happy with your snowman buttons. Okay. Once you're done with your buttons, what we're gonna do is make some arms coming out of the side of our snowman's body. But take your time doing your buttons. Beautiful. Wow, look at all those buttons. Amazing. So now we'll do one line coming off the middle part of our snowman on one side, and then a line coming off the other side, like this. One here, and one here. Beautiful! Those are his little stick arms. And we're gonna do 3 little lines coming off of the big lines we just made. 1, 2, 3, we'll go like this. 1, 2, 3. You can do more or less if you like. I'm gonna do 3 on the other side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Normally, a real snowman, these would be made out of sticks. Okay, so remember this shape we made over here? That's the beginning of a scarf. So we're gonna start from that line that we made under the circle, and we're gonna make a big wiggly line like this. Any shape you want, really. Just a big wiggly line coming right off the side of the snowman. And then I'm gonna make another wiggly line that goes in the same direction, like this. See, those 2 wiggly lines are going the same direction. Nice! I'm gonna put one line to connect those 2 together, and I'm gonna do little lines coming off of that. Wow, Ember, you did a beautiful squiggly scarf. I'm gonna put little lines coming off of my scarf, like fringy parts coming off the scarf. But you could do yours however you like, just like Ember did. And take your time finishing your scarf. I'm gonna just touch up my little top hat here a little bit while Ember works on her scarf. Perfect. Let's try making a snowflake next to our snowman. Okay, we're gonna do one line up and down, like this. And then one line going across, right through that line, like this. And then one diagonal through one way, another diagonal line going through the other way. And if you're not familiar with how to make these snowflakes, you can watch my video on how to make these beautiful snowflakes. Beautiful! Now, I'm gonna just fix up some of my lines on my snowman. I think Ember wants to do more snowflakes, so while Ember does more snowflakes on hers, I will just fix up all the lines that I want fixed up on my snowman. You can go back over some of your lines too, or you can add a bunch of snowflakes just like Ember's doing. Whatever you want to do is totally fine. It's your snowman, and it should be special, just like you. Beautiful. And what makes these snowmen so special is that they're so different. Every snowman is so different from the next. And every drawing is so different from the next. That's what makes art so magical. Wow. I love making big, thick lines. Look at Ember go, making all these snowflakes. So cool. Keep going, keep going. There we go. All right, let's see. Oh, Ember's gonna make snowflakes on the other side too? Let's see. I'll keep making some of my lines a little bit thicker, because it's really fun to draw along with someone else. There we go. It looks like Ember's making a big hill, like a big snowy hill. And I'm just gonna keep fattening up my lines. I don't really want to add a background to mine, but Ember's making a whole scene on hers. What an amazing imagination. I'm gonna make my dots bigger for the smile. Nice, beautiful. Well, I'm done with my purple. Ember, I think, wants to start coloring hers in, but with the same marker she's already using. That's totally fine. I'm gonna grab a pink marker to start coloring in my snowman. You don't have to color if you don't want to, but you can, and you can use any colors you choose. I'm gonna do the nose on my snowman pink. Ember colored in the hat of her snowman in this beautiful purple color, and she's coloring in the carrot nose in purple too. Wonderful! Oh wow, way to go, Ember! You colored in part of the scarf. That's a great idea. I think I want to color in my scarf too. Let's see here. So I think Ember was basically done coloring in hers, so I'll just show you what I wanted to do with mine a little bit too. I'm going to color in the top hat and the scarf, both in a beautiful green. Here we go. Nice. And if you're coloring in yours too, take your time. Enjoy the process. Here we go. Do-do-do. Nice! And there's Ember's and mine side by side. Thank you for drawing. We hope you had fun drawing along with us today. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Dance and play with thee, we find our joyful way. Through seasons, whispers we explore, painting dreams forevermore. Spring awakens, flowers bloom, in fields of green we find our room. With brushes bright and colors bold, a canvas of stories yet untold. Summer sun with golden rays guides us through the longest days. We paint the skies with shades of blue and capture moments fresh and new. Autumn leaves in here so bright, rustling softly in the light. We draw the trees with gentle care as nature sheds its vibrant wear. Chill brings frosty air, but in our hearts warmth we share. With crayons and paper by the fire's glow, we sketch the tales of falling snow. He leads us on this wondrous ride, on roads where imagination takes its stride. With every stroke and every hue, we learn and laugh as friendships grew. So come along on this creative quest, where art and seasons never rest. With Bee's guidance, hand in hand, we'll craft our dreams across the land. For springtime blooms and winter's white, our journey's filled with pure delight. In every season's gentle breeze, we find our artful melodies. Nature sheds its vibrant wear. Nature sheds its vibrant wear.